What up, everyone? It's no secret that gaming is a multi-billion-dollar industry, so there's no point trying to keep this LED gaming mousepad under wraps anymore. Millions of gamers already have light-up devices including mice, keyboards, wall lights, and computer lights. Let your customers complete their aesthetic with the LED element and a vibrant print. It's important for gamers to have a big mouse pad so that there's plenty of room for when the action picks up. That's why this pad is offered in 4 different sizes. It also comes with an anti-slip rubber bottom. It connects to a computer via a USB connector and has a power button that lets you switch between multiple static or changing colors with a single press of a button. And when you're done, simply hold the button a little longer for it to power down. Both store owners and gamers alike want the coolest setup, so make sure to light up your sales by adding the LED gaming mousepad to your store. Push that like button down below and subscribe for more reviews just like this.